Hey everybody, welcome back. In this episode, we're going to give you an update of where we are with the Jaguar. Now, on the last episode, you did see that we had some issues getting the car to start after doing the Bluetooth reset. Now, we have found out that there are some contributing issues as we further diagnosed it. Big one is the battery. Two, the BCM unit has got some really weird stuff, not making a lot of sense, but we cannot get the key to start the ignition. Now, everybody's going, well, put it into the little key fob slot. On the 2013 Jaguar XF facelift model, there is no key fob slot on the vehicle for you to do that. So according to Jaguar and the manual, you have to put it underneath the fog lamp button, and it will keep telling you to reposition the key fob until it reads it, which is a task that is a pain.